Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to set up a seller account on Etsy. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to etsy.com as you can see, and you'll be greeted with a screen like this. After that, of course, we can see some stuff that we have here. We have categories where you can check out all of the categories. We have the search where you can of course search for something, gift mode, Halloween shop, homes favorites, fashion finds, registry, and a lot of different things on the application, on the website, sorry. But now let's see how you can set up a seller account on Etsy. First of all, you need to go and click on the top right corner, click on the sign in button. Here, of course, you need to go and sign in. So you can go and sign in with Google, Facebook, Apple, or of course you can do it. So I'll do it by clicking Google, and I'll do it like that. I'll put my email, click continue to of course get information. Just a second, and here it is. I have my account set up. So as you can see here, you have your purchases and everything. So, but of course, this is an account that can go and buy stuff. So you can go on Etsy and of course buy something that you would like. But of course, the video is about a seller account. So to make a seller account, click on the top right corner on your profile picture. And here, out of all these options, click on sell on Etsy. So as you can see, you have that option here. Click on sell on Etsy. Millions of shoppers can't wait to see what you have in store. Get started, and there you can go and set up everything, guys, and start selling on Etsy. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.